talk. What are you doing, Lachlan?
I'm making a volcano erupt.
Whoa. Oh, there it goes. Keep going.
Why is it a funnel?
Whoa, is he doing that for his science experiment, Mommy?
Yep.
What do you think's happening, Lachlan? Wow.
It's exploding. Mom, can we test it again?
So what have you done, Lachlan? What have you put in your volcano there?
I have put vinegar. I've used a funnel made out of a water bottle. I have used a tray. I have used this glass bottle thingy. I have used red food coloring.
What's the white powder?
The white powder is called sodium bark. I don't know.
Sodium bicarbonate.
No, sodium bicarbonate.
Or it's also called baking soda. What's happening in here? It's still fizzing and... What do you think happened? Why is it all bubbly like that?
Because it's lava.
Thank you, Lachlan.
Yo, go.